Ciao, good morning everybody. I hope all is well with you. Let me tell you my honest feelings for the day. It's gloomy, it's raining. If you live in Johannesburg, you know that we get thunder each day around 3 o'clock. So right now it's gloomy. My house doesn't necessarily have the most perfect thing, like the most perfect light, but I'm gonna try to make it work. If you guys can hear the birdies, I'm recording close to my balcony because this is where I get most of my light, and then the rest of the house going that way is a little bit darker, especially when it is gloomy like this. So I wanted to start off the vloggity vlog. I hate it when I have to record in real time. If you hear background noises, I'm also washing the laundry. That takes about 2 days to dry because why? It's been raining for the whole week, and I think that's probably one of the reasons why I haven't had the energy and the right attitude to record, because when the sun is out, everything's just better. It's just better to record when the sun is out. So anyway, remember 2 weeks ago I told you guys that I have to wash my plants. I have to clean them, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Finishing off a bit of the laundry, as well as I think I'm going to pop out to go to Clicks with my little sister real quick after church, and then or later on in the evening. And then what else? I haven't started my ginger bag. Why haven't I started the ginger bag? Because I need the sun. I need the sun. I need the sun, okay? Also, I think it would be fair for me to do like a skincare update to show you guys how the new products that I've added to my skincare routine have been treating my skin. Because you know what? I kind of like it. However, I haven't been experiencing gut issues. I started taking probiotics last week and it messed up my stomach. So I have stopped taking probiotics because my thing is, before I started taking them, I was already regular. It's just that I wanted to make sure that, you know, I don't know, probiotics, you know? I guess it's a lesson not to drink something if you don't need it. Because now it has messed up my stomach, and I only this morning started to feel a little bit like regular. So because I had blockage in my stomach, it's reflecting on my cheeks, because anytime you've got gut issues, it's mostly, it kind of manifests on your skin. I probably also have to wash my makeup brushes as well as my hair because I'm breaking out hair, so I'm thinking it's probably a dirty scalp, but not in today's video, girl. Let's switch to voiceover and start cleaning these damn plants, because do I want to touch water? No, I don't. And we're gonna be making some breakfast. I think I just want to have ramen and edit this video. I didn't really grow up close to my dad, and we don't really know each other at that level, but anytime we would visit him during the holidays, he would tell me about his plants and his roses, and he would even name some of the roses. I remember one name was Manana, and I think he definitely sparked something within me that has a green thumb. And every now and then when I visit him, I will propagate some of my plants and then plant it in his garden so that he can have a piece of me. And I find that that's kind of a way I can get connected to him. And I take some of his plants from his garden with me, and I put them in a pot, and I try to take care of them to the best of my abilities. And I find that maybe this is how we were meant to connect to each other. I don't know, but we understand each other through plants, I suppose. And since I started growing plants and buying them, and I have a reason as to why I even started my collection the way that I did, it's because I didn't really think that I was going to be able to take care of tropical plants like monsteras and other like bigger leaves like philodendrons, etc. So I was scared. So I started my collection with a lot of hard plants, more leaning towards like succulents, and I was very comfortable with that. And then I started wanting bigger, harder plants like rubber plants, which is the one that you guys are seeing right now. And eventually, I remember I saw this one monstera at Pick and Pay, and I knew I needed to have it. There was like 3 of them left, and I rushed back to the Pick and Pay. I drove home and then I came back and I bought it because I changed my mind. And I think the beauty about learning to be consistent with certain things and learning to give back, for me, I feel like I'm giving my, like, this is a Tshidi thing. I know that when I'm 55 years old, I would still love taking care of plants. Maybe not at this large number, but I know it would be something I still would love doing, like gardening. I used to grow my own fruit at home back when I had a garden. I have a balcony now, and it has taken away so much of that privilege to be able to have ground floor and plant and eat from the ground. I used to love growing my own strawberries and green peppers and red chilies and all those small little stuff, and tomatoes. It was just so beautiful to be able to use your hands, put it in soil, grow something, eat it, and be proud and regrow it again. So I love taking care of my plants, and I know since last week that they are very dirty. It's just that I haven't had the time. You know, when you work a 9 to 5, super grateful, very, very grateful. It does, however, take a lot away of your personal time that you don't have capacity each week to give your best. So I try each week not to let it go to waste. Yes, some weeks I will use to rest, but some weeks I will definitely pour back into things that I know calm me down. You genuinely cannot clean your plants if you're not okay. In the beginning of this process, my attitude was not right. Therefore, I hurt some of my leaves. I tore them. And then I had to speak to myself and tell myself that I need to be calm and I need to be grateful and I need to be in tune with my plants, look at them, see where are some of the issues. And then immediately after I've changed my energy to just pouring out, you know, this is not meant to frustrate me. It's supposed to soothe me. I fixed my attitude and I was gentle with my plants because these leaves are very fragile. As you can see, for each leaf I clean, I have to put my hand under it to support it. And some of them are bigger than my hand. They're like 4 or 5 times bigger than my hand. And that's a very big leaf that I would have to clean. But I wanted to show you the bottom of this plant. It's like purplish at the bottom. This plant is actually standing on its own. It's not like on my little stool that I use. It's on its own, and this is how tall it is. It's like close to like just under my tits, y'all. It's a very tall plant. I love this plant. It's very special to me. All of my plants are special, including this one. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The cleaning of the plants and the chat.
Very cute. Oh, I'm thinking I will also bring like a stand for my chimosas.
Yeah, you come sell. You see, very lovely. Yeah?
Guys, horrible lighting or whatever. Let me see. So my little sister said to me, why would anybody drink odorless garlic? And I'm like, I don't know. And she's like, what? Why don't you know? You know everything since you got your little degree and everything, but you like actually know everything. I'm like, I don't know everything. Like, can you be serious? Take me serious. I don't know everything. Why are you wearing glasses in the shop?
Like, I'm losing my mind.
Is everything okay?
It's hard being a queen like me.
Is everything okay? I think Lagato is really going through the most.
I am. Like, I can't even. I can't what's
And the glasses help that make it better.
Baba.
Okay, I think she needs to take a nap.
Yeah.
Let me smell it. You guys can smell first. Do you like it? No, I don't like the smell.
What's that? The body shopper, how you moving? That's weird. This is. I'm not even gonna carry on, Sana. I was gonna say primary. The body shop, like the store, how you?
I don't think so, but we can walk around and check.
Okay. Yeah, then let me pay the bill. Oh, can my dad not do things like this for me? I want probiotics as well.
That's a very good idea. I'm gonna take one, by the way.
But chewable. Like, I'm tired of like.
They are chewables, like 300 rand, girl. Think about your life. Let me see. No, there are other ones. Let me quickly find them for you.
Yeah, go on chicken or what. It is even come at it again. Like, thank God. I not complain about my job, but at least I can get my thing. Oh, more have a okay. Last numbers.
That's what's up. That's my favorite flavor.
Same, girl. But ever since someone clocked it, got a baby powder. I sweat a lot at work because I'm always in those.
Baby powder.
Okay. I want 7 million. Cranberry pomegranate like this, but it has a scrub. I can really see like I scrubs a bit. But now that it's
But
winter,
these
I
are
like
not
squishy.
scrubs, so we should go to probably the next aisle.
No, Keith.
Oh. Yeah, so here
You
we
usually
are.
find them.
Here, pomegranate, body wash, scrub. No, but that's dreaming of a detox.
It usually has like the.
I see, yeah, granules.
And again, winter usually.
When you were doing what?
Can I sign up my contract? Sir, I do first like all no one's anything. This thing used to be literally 84 rand.
She's not okay. So what are you gonna do?
I have to take it. I can't toss out clothes. I like ginger. Like I was like, girl, you need to get it.
So pretty. Oh, it is standing on one foot. This bird is standing on one foot, bro. That is so cool. It's like, I don't know if it's hurt or what. I think the one foot is hurt. Oh no, my phone is dead. You guys see that? This is perfect broth. You guys see that? You see it's jiggling? You see when it jiggles like that? That's how you know. So I made some broth, and you can use this anyhow you want in your meals, honestly. So I'm gonna put some in my omelet because why not? Extra protein.